here to help you if you are playing the Monopoly game in the McDonald's app and you've been lucky enough to win a prize, a small like food prize, whether it be a cheeseburger, small fries, drink, a Big Mac, chicken sandwich, but you don't see the prize. The prize is not showing up. What is the deal? Well, I'm going to show you because I just figured it out after Googling and searching through Reddit. I finally figured out what the problem was. If your main page is going to look like this, I happen to be on an Android phone. This is the same for iOS. I have my iPhone right next to me with a McDonald's account as well, okay? The issue was you would think it would make sense when you go into the Monopoly portion of the app and it tells you your prize is going to show up within 24 hours after you put in a code and it tells you that you won. So if down at the right where it says claim prize, right? Intuitively, that's where you think your free food item would show up. But what I have learned, your food item will never show up here. This is only for like big boy, big win, grand prize type items. You want a television, you want a gift card, you want cash. That's what's going to show up here. Okay, so then I found out that your prizes, the food stuff that you win, will show up in the main app in the perks and rewards or whatever. Let's go back to the main app and look at that. Okay, there's more to this than what you're going to see here because I'm a step ahead of you. App exclusive deals, that's where it's going to show up. And you can see here the stuff I've won already in the McDonald's game right now, okay? I've got apple pie, small fry, vanilla cone, double cheeseburger, or McChicken. That's what I've won so far. That's great. These were not showing up here. Nothing was showing up here. Why is that? That is because I did not have location services turned on. And that was the key. Well, that was like half of the key to unlocking the problem with the McDonald's Monopoly prizes not showing up. That's your answer. Now, you can see in location, the settings I give the McDonald's app, it's going to look similar on iOS, is I don't allow precise location, but I do allow the location to be on anytime the app needs location. That was the answer. Then you go back to your McDonald's app and you look for the app exclusive deals in the normal part of the McDonald's app. That is your answer. Check my other video for how to get a bunch of free food on the Monopoly game. Ryan here.
Silly reviews. Silly reviews.